Hello, my name is Aaron Frazier, and this is my first video diary entry as an Earl Warren Scholar. Today's date is September 23rd, 2010. I am a first-year law student at Cornell Law School, and as of this recording, I've been in law school for a little over a month now. So in this entry, I want to talk a little bit about how things are going for me so far, but I'll begin briefly with an introduction. So again, my name is Aaron Frazier. I'm 22 years old, and I was born and raised in Rochester, New York. I graduated from Harvard College with a degree in philosophy back in May. So I'm Harvard class of 2010, and obviously I went straight through to law school, no time off. I did take the summer off in terms of just using the summer for rest. I didn't work or anything like that, and I'm glad I made that decision given the workload of law school, which I'll talk about briefly. Um, First, let me talk about why I chose law school. Um, I chose to go to law school, and I want to become a lawyer because I want to help people. I think helping people is consistent with my own philosophical beliefs as well as the values instilled in me by my family. Um, Additionally, I think that ultimately experience is the best judge of everything. And I've been fortunate enough to have experiences in the legal profession where I was able to do what lawyers do, specifically what prosecutors do. And I found that in those experiences, I was good at what I was doing. I was fulfilled by what I was doing. I enjoyed what I was doing. But most importantly, I was able to help people in what I was doing, and I was able to affect positive changes in my community, and that's very important for me. So, what were those experiences? Well, participation with Rochester Teen Court, um, which is a youth court, a special division of the Rochester City Court responsible for sentencing juvenile offenders. The amazing thing about youth courts is that they are staffed entirely by volunteer teenagers under the supervision of adult city court and county court judges. So I served as an attorney, a prosecutor, and defender on alternating months for teen court throughout high school. And when I graduated from high school, they made me an honorary judge. So now I preside over cases over the summer. I've also interned at a DA's office at the Rochester District Attorney's office, um, as well as I served as a judge for the District Court Mock Trial Program of Harvard Model Congress. Again, all these experiences confirm for me that trial work, especially working in criminal law and in civil law and civil rights issues and torts and things like that, being able to help people, that's really fulfilling for me, and it's something that that was a good fit for me. Just given my goals and my philosophical values and beliefs and my personality and my skills and talents, um, being a lawyer is just a perfect fit. So that's why I chose law school. So now, how is law school going for me so far? It's actually going very well. I'm extremely happy that I chose Cornell because it's just a great place to be. First, the setting is just beautiful. Cornell's in Ithaca, New York, which is a more rural area of New York. And given that I grew up in inner city Rochester and then went to college in Boston, it's a real treat being able um, to be in such a natural and serene setting like this. And then additionally, the people here are just wonderful. My professors, top-notch faculty, and their top-notch people in their fields. Um, and then they're just so down to earth despite all their accomplishments. And they just have wonderful senses of humor, and that makes not only going to class a real treat, but it makes being just talking with them in informal settings a treat, and it makes the Socratic method um, very fun to participate in. I think American law schools have the reputation, at least Hollywood likes to depict it this way in its movies, where it depicts the Socratic method in American law schools of being this evil, draconian, uh, you know, torturous type thing. Where at least the way Cornell does it, it's not that way at all. It's just a lot of fun. Law school is a lot of work. I have virtually no free time during the week. Um, but it's well worth it. I spend most of my evenings in the week, reading cases, briefing cases, and preparing for class the next day. Um, but it's certainly worth it. Like right now, I'm taking 5 classes: lawyering, constitutional law, civil procedure, contracts, and torts. And I'm especially enjoying torts, constitutional law, and civil procedure. Again, probably because my goal is to do trial work, and where I'm able to really help people, and my work can have profound impacts, positive impacts on the community. Um, so all in all, law school is going very well for me. Um, and again, I thank the Earl Warren Scholarship for helping to give me this wonderful opportunity.